Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Thursday, June the 12th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. A Boeing 787 Dreamliner operated by Air India bound for London from Ahmedabad crashed shortly after takeoff and exploded into a huge fireball in what's set to be the worst accident involving the U.S. planemaker's most advanced wide-body airliner. The flight was carrying 242 passengers and crew. Boeing shares slumped pre-market as the crash highlighted other accidents involving its planes. Number 2. U.S. stock futures pulled back on Thursday ahead of a fresh batch of inflation data as President Trump renewed his threat to impose take-it-or-leave-it tariffs on trading partners. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell roughly 0.5%, or over 200 points. S&P 500 futures dropped 0.3%, while contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 also moved 0.22% lower. Number 3. Oracle shares are surging 9% in pre-market trading after the software firm reported better-than-expected results on strong growth of cloud infrastructure revenue. Oracle reported adjusted earnings per share of $1.70 on revenue that grew 11% year-over-year to $15.9 billion. Cloud infrastructure revenue jumped 52% to $3 billion, making it Oracle's fastest-growing segment. CEO Safra Catz said Oracle expects its cloud infrastructure growth rate to increase to more than 70% in fiscal 2026 from 50% in fiscal 2025, above expectation. Number 4. Micron Technology said on Thursday it was planning to expand its U.S. investments in domestic memory manufacturing to about $150 billion and in R&D to $50 billion. Shares of the Chipmaker fell about 1% in pre-market trading. This marks an additional investment of $30 billion beyond prior plans, Micron said. Number 5. U.S. wholesale prices rose modestly last month from a year earlier, another sign that inflationary pressures remain mild. The Labor Department reported Thursday that its Producer Price Index, which measures inflation before it hits consumers, rose 2.6% in May 2024. Producer prices rose 0.1% from April to May after dropping 0.2% the month before. Excluding volatile food and energy prices, wholesale costs were up 0.1% from April and 3% from May 2024. The readings were slightly lower than economists had forecast. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.